So what up guys, this is Calvin Roy YouTube channel. And guys, if you still don't know me, who I am Calvin Roy Ross Johnson. Hi to each and every single one of you. And I study in University of Mindanao and I live in Samantha Homes, Catalunan Grande. This video, I'll introduce myself. So I'm Calvin Roy, that's Calvin Roy on your screen. And yeah, I do vlogs, I do challenges, I do any random videos na ganahan ako buhaton. And yeah, I'm a Bisaya, I'm a Filipino YouTuber. And if you still haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel para mapasar mo sa inyong mga exams. So please. My God. So make sure to subscribe on my channel. Make sure to subscribe on my channel para, you know, you will pass all your exams, all your problems in your life. You will pass all of it, so that you will have a better future. Yeah, your better future, guys. Your future depends on your subscription to me. Tama ba? Tama ba? So nakadepende ang inyong future guys sa pag-subscribe sa kuha. So this is Calvin Roy guys. Yeah. Bye!
Let's